Hello, second grade. This is Module 4, Lesson 13. And our objective today is to use math drawings to represent subtraction with and without decomposition and relate drawings to a written method. Alright, this is our application problem. I need you to, with your shoulder partner, you're going to do this together. The application problem is Mrs. Beachy went shopping with $42. She spent $18. How much money did she have left? So with your shoulder partner, talk about how you're going to answer this and then solve it by yourselves, the two of you. Okay, so you and your shoulder partner should have done this together. And let's compare answers here. So what I did was I took 42 minus 18, and I lined up my ones, and I lined up my tens. I need to take a 10 from the 4 here, because we can't take 8 away from 2. So the 4 gave one of its 10s to the 2 to make it a 12. And the 4 is going to turn into a 3. So 12 minus 8 is 4, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So our answer is she has $24 left. Okay, so go ahead and start watching this video on your own now and doing these problems on your own. It says to solve the following problems mentally. 30 minus 5 is 25. 40 minus 5, 35. 50 minus 5, 45. And 10 minus 5, 5. Alright, now we're going to take 31 minus 19. Let's line it up here vertically. 1 minus 9. Can we do that? If I have one house point, can I give away 9 of them? No, I can't. So we need the 3 to give us one of its 10s to make this an 11. So the 3 is going to give us one of its 10s, and it's going to turn into a 2. What is 11 minus 9? 2. And what is 2 minus 1? 1. So our answer is 12. Let's take 46 minus 24. We're going to line it up vertically. And I had lined up my 1s and my 10s. We always start with the 1s place, and we're going to subtract the 1s first. So, do we need to take any of the 10s away from the 4? No, we do not, because 6 is a bigger number than 4. So we can go ahead and subtract that. So we don't need to take away any 10s. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So our answer is 22. Here's our next question. 51 minus 33. I want you to go ahead and set that up on your own vertically and solve the problem. Look and make sure that you have your 1s in a line and your 10s in a line. and then look and see if you're going to need to take any tens from the tens place. Alright, let's compare our answers. So I did 51 minus 33. Are my ones lined up? They sure are. And are my tens lined up? Yes, they are. Do we need to take any of the tens from the 5 here? Yes, we do, because we can't take 3 away from 1. Remember, we're taking away from the ones column first. We need to solve the ones column before we go to the tens. So we cannot take 3 away from 1. There's not enough there. So the 5 is going to give us one of its tens. And the 5 needs to turn into what? A 4. So what is 11 minus 3? 8. Good. And what is 4 minus 3? 1. So our answer is 18. Go ahead and line this up vertically and then solve it. Alright, let's check your answer. 67 minus 49. Do we need to take any of the tens from the 6? Yes, we do, because 7 is a smaller number than 9. We cannot take away 9 from 7. So the 6 needs to give one of its tens to the 7 to make it 17. And the 6 is going to turn into what? A 5. So 17 minus 9 is 8, and 5 minus 4 is 18. Go ahead and set this one up and answer it. Let's compare your answer. 66 minus 48 equals. Do we need to take any of the tens from this 6 here? Yes, we do, because we cannot take away 8 from 6. This number is smaller than this number. So we need to take some of the tens, 1 10 from the 6 to make this what? 16. Good. So our first 6 here is going to turn into a 5. What is 16 minus 8? 8. And what is 5 minus 4? 1. Our answer is 18. Go ahead and set this one up vertically and do it on your own, and we'll compare answers. Alright, let's see how you did here. 77 minus 58 equals. Do we need to borrow or take any tens from this 7? Yes, we do. We cannot take 8 from 7. So this first 7 is going to give 1 10 to the 7 to make it what number? 17. And this 7 is going to turn into a 6. So what is 17 minus 8? 9. And what is 6 minus 5? 1. And our answer is 19. Now it is your turn. You're going to solve both of these problems, number 1 and 2. You need to set it up vertically, so up and down. And when you're done solving, you need to seesaw your answers to me. Good luck.